Hey everybody, welcome back to Live Free and Tool On. My name is Brent, and today we have a huge announcement. Well, maybe not an announcement, but a great milestone for Ryobi. They actually released, and not just released, it's actually in stores, the solar panels that they announced, I don't know, a year or 2 years ago. Everyone's been waiting for them, and today is the day that you can actually go get them. Now, some of the details that we need to talk about is there's 3 different panels. There is a 14 watt, a 20 watt, and a 60 watt panel. Now, if we take a look at the 14 watt, what you're going to see is it's just 2 little panels there. And those are like the 14 watt, where there's like 7, somewhere around there, 7 watts a piece. That's really good for maybe charging your phone, maybe a small tablet. You can hang it off your backpack. It's just really small. So that's that one. But if you go up to the 20 watt, well, then you get 3 panels and you get to do basically the same thing. Now, you have 2 connections. You have a USB-A and then you have a USB-C on both of those. So that's really your options, and that's what you're going to be able to use. Now, that's pretty, I guess that's all right. That's good if you're camping. It's small, it's portable. So I'm not going to, downtrod it or anything like that. I think it does have its place and is very mobile, and that's actually really good, especially if you're hiking. Now, the big thing that we need to talk about is the 60 watt solar panel. Whenever you look at this 60 watt panel, it's foldable, so it is a little bit more mobile. It's only 60 watts though. Some of the things you need to look out for is that it has 3 different types of connections. You do have your USB-A, which you're going to be able to get 24 watts maximum out of that charging. Your USB-C, which is a maximum of 45 watts. And then you got a barrel plug. Now, this barrel plug isn't just one trick pony. It has like 4 different connections if you want to look at that. And that's actually kind of good. They have adapters. You can use it for different things. So that's very good. Now, this 60 watt panel, they actually say it can charge up to 8 batteries. How is that even possible? Well, if you take a look at the description, or if you look online, they claim that it can charge up to 8 batteries using the 18 OnePlus 1800 watt power station. So that is going to charge the USB-C, and that's going to charge at 45 watts. So yeah, that's going to take a long time, but that's how they're actually getting, hey, you're able to charge 8 batteries at one time because you are utilizing that power station. Now, that power station, it's not pass-through charging. So let's be very clear there, that is not pass-through charging. The only power station that they have is the standalone non-changeable battery, so it's not even on the battery platforms. That's an 18 volt power station that does have pass-through charging, but the plug that's on that one for pass-through charging is a typical, I believe, solar panel plug, and you're going to see that. That hasn't been released yet, and I haven't seen an adapter. I do hope that they come out with that. But anyways, that's how you're going to see the claim of the 8 batteries being charged. Now, they are saying that you can do a lot with this, and I don't doubt that. But at being 60 watts, I was kind of wondering if it's like a monocrystal, like the type of photovoltaic. I wasn't successful in finding the type of solar cells that they're using for this, but I was able to see what's actually coming out. Now, if you know anything about solar, you know that they have very specific types of plugs. They're like twist lock, and they're all watertight plugs. This isn't that type of solar, and I don't believe you're going to be able to link up multiple solar panels either. At least it didn't look like there's any type of parallel or series types of connections that you're going to be able to put these together. I could be wrong. Don't quote me. I just didn't see the capabilities of it right here. So I think it is really a standalone system. You're going to be able to use it with the 1800 watt 18 volt power station, which actually isn't released yet. But at least these 3 types of solar panels have hit the market, which is good because you can charge your batteries through the power station. I almost forgot the 150 watt little power station. You can charge your batteries through that too, because that has you can charge your batteries through a USB-C. So that again is a 45 watt charge, and whatever's regulated through the actual little power station itself. Everybody, I will be testing this out as best that I possibly can, so make sure that you subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned to get me all your questions, because as soon as I get this solar panel, I will be doing as many tests as possible, because I think it's really important. So if you're looking to make the investment, if you're going to buy the 14 watt, that's going to cost you $79 just from the solar panel itself. If you're looking to buy the 3 solar panel, which is the 20 watt, that is going to cost you $100. And then if you're going to buy the 60 watt foldable, that's going to cost you $250. That is a big investment compared to the competitors out in the market, but it isn't on the battery platform. And I've got to say, this one's not really on the battery platform either, because it isn't proprietary. I thought that maybe it would have like a dedicated battery charger. I'm not really seeing that, but who knows? Maybe they'll come out with a battery charger with the barrel plug that we're able to charge at 60 watts. So everyone, stay tuned. I really can't wait to bring you more tests and a little bit more information on these solar panels. Get out there. I want you to go build something, break something, learn something, share it with the next generation, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Take care, everybody.